My friends, it is an honor again to stand with you as the founder of the Ontario Parliamentary Friends of Tibet. And I have to tell you that this year will be the second time we welcome Tibetans into Queen's Park to celebrate your culture and to celebrate your struggle. And all members of Queen's Park will be attending that. So I look forward to that this year. And in future, I look forward to the time on March 10th that we can raise the Tibetan flag in front of Queen's Park. It is also, of course, a sad day. A day when we look out on the graves of so many brave martyrs who self-immolated. And I tell you that I'm also, as well as your representative, a Christian minister. In the Christian year, this time of year is called Lent, the Great 40 Days. It is a time of prayer and it is a time of fasting. And we fast and we pray because it was the time when Jesus was tortured and killed. Jesus, who lived in an occupied country, but who stood for spiritual values of nonviolence and resistance. But the good news for Jesus and Christians is that his death was not the end of the story. The good news for all of these martyrs is their death is not the end of the story. The end of the story is a free Tibet. I also stand here, of course, every day of the year with you. And I bring you some other good tidings. You are not alone in the world, and you have heard that from our other representatives. I have had reports from inside China. There are strikes by workers who are being oppressed inside China. There is resistance for freedom inside China. And I know that one of the strengths of your movement is it has never been against the Chinese people, just the Chinese government. And as the Chinese people fight for their freedom, that freedom will help your freedom. This is the strength of His Holiness the Dalai Lama and your strength. And finally, always, I thank you for raising up to the world the value of nonviolent struggle, because you prove every day that you can resist one of the largest, most powerful governments on earth, but you can resist with nonviolence and love and compassion. I thank you for that on behalf of all people, because this world doesn't need any more hate. It needs a great deal more love. And I thank you for being the example of a loving resistance. Please give yourselves applause for that. Thank you for your love. Finally, I'll come back every year. And one of the years that I come back, we won't be standing here. We will be standing in Lhasa with His Holiness to a free Tibet.